Hello everyone. Let's dive into the GATERON magnetic Jade Max switches. These switches are GATERON's foray into the world of magnetic switches, and they've come out swinging. What sets these apart? Well, GATERON is using rare earth permanent magnets and incorporating special precious metal casting, which they say results in strong magnetic resonance. These are linear switches, factory pre-lubed, and fully transparent, showcasing a gold-plated spring. They're designed for magnetic gaming keyboards, allowing you to freely set the pre-travel distance. GATERON is targeting DIY enthusiasts who want that perfect typing feel without breaking the bank. One of the biggest selling points is durability. Because magnetic switches don't rely on traditional metal leaves, pins, or optics, they're far less susceptible to wear and tear. GATERON claims these switches can withstand millions of presses. If one fails, you can simply swap it out. In terms of feel, the pre-lubrication makes a noticeable difference. The travel is incredibly smooth, and the sound is a muted thunk. The magnets provide a consistent and responsive feel throughout the keystroke. The ability to adjust the pre-travel is a game changer, allowing you to fine-tune the sensitivity to your exact preferences. Whether you want hair trigger responsiveness for gaming or a more deliberate feel for typing, these switches can accommodate. The transparency of the switch housing is also a nice touch, especially for those with RGB keyboards. The light shines through beautifully, creating a vibrant and even glow. The gold-plated spring adds a touch of premium flair. Are there any downsides? The price point might be a bit higher than some traditional mechanical switches, but the added durability and customization options arguably justify the cost. Also, keep in mind that these switches are specifically designed for magnetic keyboards, so they won't work with standard mechanical keyboards. Overall, the GATERON magnetic Jade Max switches are a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade to a magnetic keyboard. The smooth feel, adjustable pre-travel, and long-lasting durability make them a worthwhile investment. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a gamer searching for that competitive edge, these switches are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.